How to create subreddit step by step. To create subreddit, first things first, launch the Reddit application on your device and also make sure that your account is at least 30 days old. Once you make this sure, you also need a small amount of positive karma. While Reddit keeps the exact number secret, a total of 50 to 100 karma is typically enough. Once you go through all of this, you simply have to now go ahead and then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. From here, tap the Create Community option. You should be able to find it over here once you are eligible. Now, once you tap on it, you simply have to fill in your name, type, and 18 plus status, just like the desktop instructions. Then tap the Create Community at the bottom of the screen, and there you go. This is how you can create subreddit step by step. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.